This
in armor
conference
type.
will now be
And
recorded.
non-armor types also we have available. Wires, how many wires is coming inside the cable? This is depends core, how many cores. So core means quantity of the wire. Clear? So inside of the quantity number 1 2 3 4, this is 4 core. Okay, this is the 4 core wire. So number of the wire inside the cable or quantity of the wire inside the cable is called core. The number of the wire inside the cable is called core. Is it clear? Clear of the definition of core. What is core in cable? Number of the wire or quantity of the wire inside the cable. They are available in power cable 1 to 4. I am already explained this one. In power cable, standard cable core is 1 to 4. 1 core, 2 core, 3 core and 4 core. This is available 1 core to 4 core. Maximum single core cable is using for transformer. I am already explained this one. Transformer. And 2 core and 3 core using for single phase, and 4 core if you need to 3 phase with neutral. In panel board termination time we need to cable in 3 core with neutral. 4 core. We required in 4 core. 3 phase with neutral. So that types of cable is coming 4 core. And only 3 core we can using in motor. So motor, magnetic field types motors. We can using in 3 phase motor. 3 phase motor we can using in 3 core wires or 3 core cable. Okay. And control and instrumentation cable 1 core to 48 core. This is coming 1 core to 48 core, up to coming in 48 cores. This is depends in your panel or depends your control system. How many core is required? It's for building requirement. It's for industries requirement. We can using in controls cable. This is available 1 core to 48 core. Control means controlling the device or equipment. Give the digital signals of device or equipment up to the main panel board. So controls cable is coming 1 core to 48 core. Okay. Power cable is coming 1 core to 4 core. Control cable is coming 1 to 48 core. So actually our course is electrical. So I will explain about the electrical cables only. Our course is electrical. I will give the knowledge of control cable also. Control cable is coming 1 core to 48 core, and this is available. This is using for control the systems. I am already explained this one. So this is the single core wire. Single core cable means inside only one cable is coming inside. This is the single core. Okay, this is single core. This is single core cable. Single core, this one. Copper type single core cable. This one is copper type single core cable. And next one, 3 core cable. You see there have the one phase, one neutral, and one earth. 3 core cable is there. We can using this is for single phase wire. Single phase power supply. We can using in one for phase, one for neutral, and one for earthing. Single phase. So 3 phase with neutral. We can using in this. There is 4 core. You see there is R, Y, B, and earthing cable. This inside have the R, Y, B, and earthing. Okay. So this is 4 core. 4 core is coming there. Sometime if the neutral required, there is coming in neutral. So okay, R, Y, B phase, 3 phase and neutral. This is the 4 core, 3 core and 1 core. Single core maximum using in transformer to outgoing up to the LB room or MB room. LB room means low voltage room or MB room means medium voltage room. So transformer first government power direct coming in power plant to coming in transformer. Power plant to in industries, power plant to power supply is coming up to the transformer. Transformer to outgoing LB room or MB room or HB room. High voltage room, low voltage or medium voltage room. Okay. So after there to going to electrical room. Electrical room. Okay. Electrical room inside have the panel board. MB main distribution board or SMDB sub main distribution board. Okay. So this is the system of power supply in electrical, not in power plant to direct coming in our house or building any industries. This is the system. Powerhouse we produce in high voltage. So this is coming by making the system. After in power plant or industries coming in three phase for 415 to 440 volts and single phase for 230, 220 to 230 volts. So in coming in domestic and industries, okay. So in products time, this is coming in 1000 volts, 11 kV, 43 kV, 66 kV. This is the transmission line. In power plant products are these types of voltage, high voltage, and this is we can using in transformer to step down, step down, step down. Then after coming in industries or our domestic building room. So room up to our building coming in 415 volt to 440 volt in building. We can using in this types of volt. Three phase supply this one. And this three phase supply also we can using in if we have the single phase device, we can using in only single phase. Three phase to any one phase. If the three phase equipment or device we can using in three phase supply is there. Okay, so this is the system of the power coming up to the our house. So in this slide you can clear we have the core. What is the core in cable? What is the core in cable? Clear about this one. Number of the wire inside the cable. This is, we can say this is the one cable. We can say this is one cable. But inside have how many wires? This is the core. This is core. Inside have how many wires? This is the core. This is core. Okay. So this is cable. One cable. Solid cable. This one number of cable, but this is core, four core cable, 1 2 3 4, four core cable. You can clear about this one. Okay, so you can clear about this one. So the number of the wire inside the cable is called core. They are available in power cable 1 to 4 core, standard core. Some power cable is coming 3.5 core, 4.5 core. This is not standard. This types of cable maximum not using in Gulf. Not using in Gulf. It's like a country, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, Dubai. Not using in half core types cable. Maximum using in standard cable core is 1 core, 2 core, 3 core, and 4 core. Our India's, our countries, we can using in 3.5 core also, including earthing wire. But there is not available in this types of cable is not using until now. We can give the separate earthing cable, earthing wire for earthing purpose. Okay. So these are the cables. These are the diagram of the cables. Okay. So Gulf, in Gulf maximum using in copper type conductor. This is the copper type conductor. This only one core, single core. Clear about this one? About the core? I hope all of you are clear about the course. What is the meaning of core? Okay, you can writing in your notebooks. Should be writing. What is core in cable? What is the core in cable? You can writing in this one. In your notebooks, okay? Should be writing. This is important. So many interviewees take the question is like that. What is core in cable? Okay. So I hope this chapter is clear all of you. And next one. Next one is control cable. Control cable. Next one is First priority is power cable. Okay, next one is what is control cable? Control cable. What is the control cable? What do you mean by the control cable? Control cable are used to carry digital signals from the device panel to the main control panel. So control cable are used carry digital signals or control system to the device panel to up to the main control panel in controls cable. Okay, so controls cable do like that. Controls cable we can using in digital signal systems. And next one is controlling system of building industries, controlling system of device and equipment which is need to control system. That types of system we can using in controls cable. In controls cable, two types of cable is available there. Two types of cable, core cable and pair cable. Core cable, just before we are explain about the core, quantity of the cable inside the quantity of the wire inside the cable is called core. Same like that, core type and pair type. Two types of control cable. Pair means two cable is coming together. Two cable. Now core means every one cable is called no core. But pair means two cable is coming twist like that. Two cable is coming twist like that. You can see this is the pair coming together twist. Twist coming. You can see there. This is coming in twist. Okay. This is pair cable. This is core cable. Pair cable is coming twist together. Two cable is coming same twist like that twist. Two cable is coming like that twist. Okay. So this is the pair cable. This one is controls cable. We have the two types of control cable, core cable. Okay. So control cable give the digital signals and control system of equipment, device or any other things. Okay, so they are available in two types, core cable and pair cable. Core cable inside have 1 core to 48 core. Control cable coming 1 core to 48 core up to maximum. This two more no using, maximum coming in 48 core. Okay, and sizes are available. This inside the cable core sizes. 48 cable is coming inside. This is this sizes. All cable core is sizes. Okay, so this is available 0.5 mm square, 0.75 mm square, 1 mm square, 1.5 mm square, 2.5 mm square and 4 mm square. This is available 0.5 to 4 mm square. Sizes of the cable. Okay, sizes of the cable. This is cables, all are, and this inside have the so many core. You see 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that core is coming. So this core size is 0.5 to 0.4 mm square up to the 4 mm square. This means how many cable, how many sizes are coming. We can, how many sizes is required in building, which size of required in cable. This is depends with the building system, management system, and this is the depends with the building designer, engineer or owner requirement. Okay, so as for this one we can using in 0.5 to 4 mm square. 0.5 to 4 mm square. So this inside have the, you can see there is the this diagram, conductor insulation, drain wire. This is using for the earthing purpose. In individual skin, this insulation, and overall screen. All this have the coming in PVC type, plastic types. Okay, this is covering by the safe protection, and another one is inner shell. We are already talking about the inner shell. Armored. This is armored. Already we are talking in armored, and outer shell. Outer shell or inner shell. This is the outer shell. So cable, control cable inside have so many parts. You can check in there. Okay, one by one. Inner conductor, insulation. This is safe to conductor, and earthing wire. This is using for earth purpose. Okay, with this wire we can removing and put the earth slip and using for earth purpose. And overall screen, this is covering by the plastic type ribbon, safe for the all core cable. And next one is inner shell. Inner shell covering by all core in, this is also coming in PVC. And armored is safe for the cable, and outer shell safe for cable in out climate, docks, water. This is safe to this insulation. Okay, if this insulation is not there, water is going inside the cable. Inside the cable, water is going. This means problem. Signal is not coming a good. Power electricity is short together, phase and neutral, or control system. This means cable is not working. So we should be need to insulation of outer. We should be need in cable insulation of outer. So these types of cable is called core cable. This is the core cable. Okay, this types of cable is called core cable. And next one, PR cable. We have also controlled two cables, core cables and PR cables. PR cables are available 1 PR to 50 PR. So 1 PR means inside have the two cables. You see, this is 1 PR, 2 PR, 3 PR. This is the 3 PR cable. This means there is coming 6 wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 PR, 2 cable is coming twist like that. This is not made by hand. This is ready-made coming like that inside the cable. Twist is coming like that, not made by the hand outside. Okay, so this is not changing. This pair one piece and another pair one piece is not changing. You should be termination in same pair, same for plus purpose or minus purpose. We can using in this one. Okay, so there is, this is not using in electrical power supply. Maximum this is using for signal or digital system and controlling system. Okay, so there is running 24 volt DC in control section. Maximum 24 volt DC is running inside the pair, inside the control cable. Okay, so this pair means you can clear about that. One pair cable, there inside have the 2 wire. Suppose 2 pair cable, there have 4 wires. This is the 3 pair cable. There have 6 wire is coming like a twist. 2 cable, 2 twist coming twist. So pair means this one and core means separate core. Numbering system is coming. Pair also coming in numbering system. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, writing like that. This means 1 pair. This suppose this is gray and blue. These two have writing in 1 1. This is 1 pair. And red and black, there is writing 2 2. Red also writing 2 black also writing 2. This means pair of cable 2 2, and another one is yellow and green. You can check, this is writing in 3 3. This means this is 3 number pair, 1 number pair, 2 number pair, and 3 number pair. Like that, numbering also coming in pair. Okay, so in pair you cannot change the cable one pair to another pair, not change the cable. You should be use first pair, one pair means should be using in first pair 2 wire. Termination time, give the termination schedule. That time you can termination in one pair, writing in one pair, both of one pair cable is termination there. Okay, so this is the pair cable, this is control cable, control, and this is core cable. This both are the control cable. So pair cable is coming 1 to 50 pair. 50 pair means inside have 100 cable. 50 last, this inside have the 100 cable is coming. Inside there have 100 cable is coming. 50 means 100 cable is coming inside the this one. Okay, so this is also available size is 0.5 square mm to 1 mm square mm, 1.5 mm square. Okay, so this pair cable is available 0.5, 0.75, 1 square mm and 1.5 square mm up to they are coming pair cable, because pair cable we can using in maximum digital signal system. We can using in digital signal system, and this is we can using in controlling system also, controlling system of device and equipment or any panel. Okay, so control cable in this chapter you can clear about this one. What is control cable? Control cable, what is the control cable and where is used? You can clear about this one. Control cable are used to carry digital signals from device panel or equipment panel to up to main panel. Okay, main panel. So we can using in building management system also, BMS, BMS and BACS also, building auto control system. We can using in control cable, building auto control system. We can using in these types of cable also. Okay, so BMS, building management system. BMS means building management system, and BACS also coming in shortcut, building auto control system. BACS, building auto control system. These types of system we can using in controls cable also. We can using in control cable also. Okay, so in this control cable, two parts is coming, core and pair cable. Core and pair cable. Core cable, this is the core cable and this is the pair cable. Core cable available in up to 48 core. Pair cable available up to 50 pair. 50 pair means total 100 wire is coming inside. One pair means two cable. This is 3 pair cable. This is the 3 pair cable. Okay, 3 pair means 6 wire coming. So 50 pair means each pair have 2 cable. 50 into 2 means 100 cable inside. So pair cable always coming in twist system, not in solid straight, not coming. This is coming in twist system. Okay, same like you can see in diagram, same like this one. Pair cable are coming in this one, but core cable is coming straight like that. You can see this is the straight, not joined each other, separate. Each core are separate, straight model coming. And pair cable is twist type to coming. So cable inside have the parts. I will already explain this one. Conductor, insulation. This insulation called is cable core insulation. And after coming in, this is using for the drain wire. This is using for the earthing. We can using, this is the earthing system. Earthing is two types, PE, protective earth, and SE, save earth only. Okay, so control cable maximum using in saving earth. Okay, so after protective earth we can using in armored in protective earth we can using in armored. Okay, and overall this screen, this is the overall core are rounding in these types, and outer shell, this is covered by all the cable. All cable are covering. Okay, so clear of this one. You can clear of this one. One controls cable. You can writing in your notebooks. Okay, very important topics this one. Sometimes you are going to electrician, but you can doing in this work in golf control section also. This is very sensitive work also. We can very care about this one because there is all are small core, twist core, numbering system. In power cable only color code system. We can using red for phase cable, yellow for red for phase 1, yellow for phase 2, and blue for phase 3, and black for neutral. Like that we can using. We can see in our eyes too only color code in phase power cable, but in control cable we can see there have the so many cables is coming, bundles of cables. 48 core is coming and 50 pair is coming. That time we can see the number of the pair, number of the core. It's like see in diagram. This is writing 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you one area you can put in 3 or 2, this means problem. So this termination time you should be clear. You should be clear in number. You can check the number and do the termination. Okay. So in pair cable also coming in armored. You can see there is coming in armored and outer cells also. So in pair cable we can using in this one for earthing. Okay, earthing we can using in this control cable and pair cable. Control cable available 0.5 to up to 4 mm square sizes, cable size. Each inside the core size, not in outside cable size, inside the core size. All cable are giving in inside the core size, even in power cable. This is power cable. So this is the 4 core 10 mm square. This cable is 4 core 10 mm square. So each core is, this is 10 mm, this is 10 mm, this is 10 mm, and this is 10 mm. This means 4 core 10 mm square. Writing cable is like that. If the only 2 core is coming, there is writing 2 core 10 mm square. 3 core coming, writing 3 core 10 mm square. So each core dimension is given to outside of the cable. Outside of the cable insulation. This is outside of the cable insulation. Here is writing. You can check in here number 1 core, 2 core, 3 core, 4 core. This is the outside of the insulation. So anywhere there is writing in this inside have how many core, and which size core wire is inside the cable. This all are writing in there. Okay, so you can check this one and do. Not thinking this 4 mm square means this cable is 4 mm square. Not this, each core is 4 mm. 4 cores 4 mm means each core is 4 mm. Okay, so you can clear about this one. Okay, so writing in your notebooks. Okay, this is very important. This very important topic is this one. Okay, so I hope all of you are clear about this one. Next one is instrumentation cable. Instrumentation cable. Next one is. So this cable is used to carry analog signals from the instrument to control panel. Analog system. We can using in instrumentation cable. This is also available in 3 types. This is available in normal core cable and armored and non-armored cable. Normal core cable are available in 2 parts: pair cable and fiber optical cable. Okay, so this is normal core cable, armored cable and non-armored cable available, and pair cable 1 to 50 pair, and fiber optical 1 core to 7 core. This is available like that. So instrumentation cable maximum using in gas plant and power plant. We can using in gas plant and power plant. Maximum using in there. We can using in there. Okay. This is available in normal cable 1 core to 48 core. 1 core to 48 core. Same like a controls cable. Same like control cable. This is coming. Sizes are available 0.5 mm square to 0.5 mm square, 75 mm square, 1 mm square, 1.5, 2.5 and 4 mm. As per site requirement, we can using in this sizes of cable, sizes of cable. Okay. And pair cable 1 pair to 50 pair. 1 pair to 50 pair. Pair cable are available 1 to 50 pair, and sizes are 0.5 square mm, 0.7, and this pair cable is coming up to the 1.5 mm square, 1.5 mm square. Okay, so fiber optical cable maximum using in sensitive area, very sensitive area. We can using in fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cable inside coming in fiber type glass in core inside. First inside the core, and next one is covering by the fiber optical glass. This core is covering by the optical glass, fiber optical glass. Okay, so you cannot twist in more like that. It's like a normal cable. You cannot twist like that in normal cable. Fiber optic cable very sensitive. You can twist little bit only, how many you want. And this pulling time also be care about this one. Pulling time you should be care about the this one also. Okay, So this is available in 1 core to 7 core. Which types of, how many signals is required? 8 for this one, available in 1 core to 7 core. Sizes are coming up to 4 mm square. Sizes are coming up to 4 mm square. This is coming in 4 mm square. So in this flat, you can clear about instrumentation cable is using for analog signals from the instruments to control panel, from instruments, so from device or from some instruments to and up to the control panel. This is coming. So this is available in 3 types. In normal, inside have 2 types cable, armored and non-armored cable. Armored means inside have the armored, like that. This is the armored cable. Inside have the armored. Non-armored means only insulation coming. This is non-armored. There have no armored. So same like that, instrumentation cable also coming, armor and non-armored cable. Okay. And next one is, this is available in 1 core to 48 core. 1 core to 48 core. Sizes are 0.5 to 4 mm square. Armored cable also coming, same sizes, and non-armored cable also coming in same sizes. As per site requirement, as per drawing requirement. We can using in as per drawing requirement. And next one is pair cable. Pair cable, this is coming 1 to 50 pair. 1 to 50 cable pair. So pair cable always coming in twist. I will show you pictures also, diagram also, pair cable, and fiber optical cable also. Just before I am show you the fiber optical, this is the pair cable. This is pair cable. And this one is fiber optical cable. This is the fiber optical cable. Okay. So this inside 1 core, outside covering by the glass, FRP, fiber optical cable. This is single core, 1 core fiber optical cable. So we have available up to 7 cores also. It's per site requirement. How many core is requirement? This is fiber, and this is instrumentation normal cable. This is coming armor types and non-armor types also. Okay, this is the diagram of the fiber optical cable. This is normal type, armor types, armor type instrumentation cable, and non-armor type also coming. Non-armor types means armor is not there. Okay, so I hope all of you are clear. I hope all of you are clear about this one. So today we are talking about the starting from cables. Okay, important topics is this one. Okay, so first we can talking about main parts of the cable. Parts of the cable in first slide. Okay, definition of the cable, we can talking about this one, and usage purpose. And next one we can talking about main parts of the cable. How many parts in cable inside? Outer cells or over cells, inner cells, conductor, covering cell, covering insulation, and conductor in electrical power cable. This is the electrical power cable. And next one is classifications of cable. 4 types of cable: electrical power cable, control cable, and instruments cable. And instruments cable also have the 2 types. Okay, so we have the main in 3 types: electrical power cable, control cable, and instrumentation cable. And instrumentation cable also have 2 types. And next, what is the power cable? What is instrumentation cable? Diagram of the this one: fiber optical, instrumentation, control cable, and power cable. Okay. Types of power cable: armored cable and non-armored cable. Armor cable inside have 4 types of armor. This is XLP, aluminum type, copper type, and steel type armor. So we have the 4 types of armor. What is core in cable? Number of the wire inside the cable is called core. Number, quantity of the cables. Okay. So this is example, single core, this one, 3 core, 3 wire is coming, 4 core, 4 wire is coming. Single core, only 1 wire is coming. So number of the core is called, number of the quantity of wire is called core. Control cable. What is the controls cable? So controls cable also 2 types, core cable and pair cable. And sizes of core cable, sizes of pair cable. What is the pair? One pair have how many cables? Each pair have coming 2 cables. And twist model. Okay. Twist model is coming. So up to there we have clear now. We have clear up to there. So up to there, any questions? Any questions have there up to? I hope all of you are clear. Okay, all of you are clear. So tomorrow again we are talking about the cables. Other slide also balance. Okay, so wish you all the best. Thank you. See you next class.
Thank you, sir.